I may have said this to you in the past, but it's so incredibly important. There are certain expectations. We call them rules. We often call them building rules. Whose job is it to enforce building rules? Everybody's. Everyone. Every adult who walks down these halls enforces building level rules and expectations. Building level rules can be things like not wearing a hat, not running down the hall, not cussing and swearing while in the hallways. Those are building rules. How do you enforce them? You call kids out on it. You got a hat on, you say to them, hey, you know the rule, take your hat off. They go around the corner, what do? They put it back on. So the next person says, hey, you know the rule, take your hat off. After 2 months of school, 75 adults keep telling me to take my hat off. After a while, my brain gets rewired to the point where every time I see an adult, I just automatically take the hat off. Then it comes to a point by the spring where I just don't walk in with the hat on. That doesn't happen when we don't consistently enforce it. And when I say enforce it, I mean just say it. Call the kid out on it. You don't have to take down their name. You don't have to say, how many times have I told you to take your hat off? You don't have to send them to the office. You don't have to chase them down the hall to see if they put their hat on when they go around the corner. You all should know that every single colleague has your back. And when that kid goes around the corner and puts it back on, you know you don't have to worry about that because the next person's going to call them out on it. And kids get to know that. And they know that when everybody's on the same page, two things happen. I begin to be able to self-regulate myself because other people are regulating me. And I calm down on the inside because I realize how safe it is to have the adults on the same page.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.